In this video, I will show you how to find your user ID on Discord. To get started, open up Discord and log into your account. And once you've done that, you want to come and click onto the gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner, which is going to take you to your user settings. From here, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the option for developer. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, you want to make sure you've turned on developer mode. So if it's turned off, just turn the switch on. Once you've done that, you can close down your settings and just come to a server that you're a part of. Once you've done that, come up to the top and click here to show the member list on the right hand side. And what you want to do is find your profile in the member list. Right click onto your name, and from this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to copy user ID. Give that a click, and what you can then do is paste this wherever you want. So as you can see, I'm going to paste it down here, and that's how to find your user ID on Discord. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Discord and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.